Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquine, myself Arnab Kundu. Today's video on Excel. Today I will discuss 7 magic in Microsoft Excel. These operations in Excel are so much important in our daily life when we do some operation on Microsoft Excel. So go to the computer screen through Microsoft Office Excel application. I will discuss 7 magic step by step. So let's dive in. Hello friends, I'm just within the Microsoft Excel and today I will discuss 7 magic in Excel which are very much important in our daily life when we are using MS Excel operations, right? So I will discuss one after another each and every magic. So first magic is that find out month's last date using EO month, this function. How to find out? So there are some dates is given like 12 January 2023, 1st December 2022, in that way. So if we find out the last date of next month, how to get this last date of the next month? So in that case just write equal, then just write EOMONTH, E month, and then took this cell because this date is needed for next month last date is concerned, and then put comma, and the next month means 1, and after it press enter. So next month is February and the last date is 28, right? Same way, if we find out this 1st December 2022, if we want to find out the previous month last date, in that case what we do, equal EO month, took this cell, comma, and then just write -1, means it's the previous month last date, right? And same way, if we find out this month last date, so in that way write equal EO month, take this cell, comma, 0, and press enter. So you got the last day of that particular month, whatever the month is given into there. So 4th April 1999, so last date is 30th April 1999. Now if we find out the 2 month after, suppose there is a given 17th June 2021, so after 2 months is what? August. So how to find out the last date of the August? We know it is the 31st August. So just write equal EO month, took this cell, comma, 2, because we need 2 months after that. So press enter. So we got 31st August 2021. So this is the first magic where we find out any month last date, previous, after, or current is concerned. Okay, I hope you have understood first magic in Excel, right? Now go to the next magic. This magic is provide what? Find out how many days in each month. Each month, how many days? We can find out easily using the function day and also EO month, these two functions, right? So what will be that? For January we know it is a 31. So how to find out? Just write equal day, and within round bracket just write another function EO month, and then we write at first 1, comma, and then we took this cell because we know that January is the first month, and then just write -1, then bracket close, enter. So we got January is the 31, and if we drag this all for this total month is concerned, so we got February 28, March 31, April 30, May 31, in that way, rest of that. So in that way you can easily find out whatever the month we are provide, how many days it contain, or how many days for a month is given, particular month name is we are provide here. January have 31 days, February normal 28 days, March 31, in that way. So this is the another magic. Through that we can easily find out how many days is present in each month, right? Now go for magic number 3. Now this magic is very important. How to put serial number in a table automatically. The table is given serial number, name and age. So how to put the serial number automatically? So in that case, just in the below the serial number, this cell, just write equal if F7 equal double quote open close comma double quote open close comma row, and then just write 1:1, then 2 round bracket close, press enter. And after, we just drag the serial number whatever the table we need to be fill up. Okay, then just write suppose 1, suppose write Arnab, then suppose write age 40, then press enter. Now we don't need to write the serial number, just suppose write here Sujoy and then tab, automatically the serial number will be coming to there, suppose 41, then enter. Again suppose write another Shumon, then just write age 42, automatically the serial number will be coming to there in that way. Then suppose write Deep and suppose write here 28, then suppose write Ronnie, then suppose write 20, then suppose write another Dipu, then suppose write 18, and then suppose write Wasim, and then suppose write here 24. So just see, automatically we got the serial number within this particular table using some formula, equal if, and then choose the position where we put the name at that particular first cell, and then when you enter the name and the age, automatically the serial number put just before. This is the magic number 3. I hope you have understood this magic also. Now go for magic number 4. Now this magic is very much important. Why? Because how to add borders automatically to cells in Microsoft Excel using some shortcut. What is the shortcut? Alt H L N. So just press Alt H L N. So this window will come, new formatting rule, then choose this option, use formula to determine which cells to format. Then choose which cell you want to put this particular border from the beginning, means where from it will start. So then we choose this particular position, just put this position, and after we just delete this $sign before 8, right? And then go to format and choose this outline for the border is concerned and press OK, and then press OK. Now suppose we put some data 1, then suppose just write Arnab, city suppose write here Kolkata, date of birth suppose write 12/12/1997. Now go for number 2, Sujoy, suppose write Dom, suppose date of birth 04/01/1990. Enter. Number 3, suppose write Deep, suppose just write Shodhpur, then suppose 01/01/1990. Then suppose serial number 4. So just see, automatically the border will come for the all row is concerned. So another suppose just write Ronnie, then suppose just write here Agorpara, then just write the date of birth 12/05/1990, right? So in that way we can get the border automatically within our table in Microsoft Excel through some shortcut Alt H L N. I hope you have understood today's magic number 4, right? So go to the magic number 5. Now this magic is very much important. We put 2 tables. One is the name as a mobile number. Some name is given, Aru, Veer, Adi, Tej, etc, etc. Now we want to swap. These 2 column, means whatever the name is there, it come the mobile number, and whatever the mobile number column just come into the name. Okay. So at first we choose this mobile number, this position. Suppose we select this total range of value including the mobile number, then press Ctrl X. This is a shortcut, Ctrl X, right? Then where we want to shift this particular column, so we shift in that position. So select this name column, total range of data, and again press the shortcut key Ctrl Shift plus, Ctrl Shift plus. Just see, it just swap. Now the first column is mobile number and second column is name. At first we got The first is our name and second is the mobile number. I hope you have understood today's magic number 5. This is also very much important in our daily life is concerned, right? Now go to the magic number 6, right? Convert name in a proper case in Excel. This is a function proper, and within round bracket another function trim we are using here. So what happens, some name is given but they are not arranged proper way. Sometimes the Arun A is small, Mr. M is small, sometimes all are capital Mr. and also Khan K is small. In that way some mixing cases are given into there. How to put this mixing part in a proper way? So there is a function is there, proper with trim, this function we are using. So we just write here equal and then just write proper, and then within that just using trim, and at first we select the cell where this unorganized selection of cases are given, mixture of cases are given into there, and then close these two round brackets and then press enter. So just see, it will come in a proper order or proper case in Excel, and if we drag it throughout the column, we got the all name in a proper way. Whatever the order we are provide in the left side name panel, means name column, have some dissimilarities, but in the proper case name, this column contain a proper case manner in Excel and using the proper function with trim function. I hope you have understood today's magic number 6. Now go for magic number 7, which is the last magic for today's video is concerned, right? Now magic 7 is very much important somehow. More shortcuts we provide here, 1 and 2. What is that? At first we write something. Suppose we just write here my name, Arnab Kundu. Now what happens, just see this name just go into two different cell. It not fit within a single cell, right? Because the Arnab is in a F and somehow the Kundu is go to the G cell. If we want to put this two string or these two word in a single cell, what we do? At first select this total string or total character, right, or total text, then press Alt HOI, Alt HOI. Just see, it just fit within a single cell. This is a shortcut how to fit a long text in a single cell using Alt HOI, right? Now go for the next shortcut, which is Alt HW. What it actually does, just see, suppose we write another text here, serial 100, suppose, right? So same way it is not fitted in a single cell. Now in that case, if we want to put this text in a vertical manner, meaning in a single cell but in a vertical order, so how we can put this text in a vertical order in a cell? So select the range of text or string, then press Alt HW, Alt HW. So just see, it come in a vertical manner, means in a single cell but in a vertical manner it will come. So these two shortcuts are somehow important or somehow it's needed when we do lots of operation in Excel in that type of cases, right? I hope you have understood today's all 7 magics which is I have described in this video, and this video is helpful for you because these tricks or these magics, these 7 magics are so much important in Excel is concerned. So if you like this video, please like it, share it more and more. If you have some doubts for today's videos is concerned, especially in Excel operation, whatever I did in my video, just write in the comment section. Still, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and keep watching Technical Arcoin. So today up to this, thank you and bye bye.